Hello everyone, welcome back grade 4. Let's start our new lesson 1.3, which is called compare and order numbers. Let's open your book, page 17, and let's start. Okay, we have here this story problem. Grand Canyon National Park in Arizona had 651,028 visitors in July 2008 and 665,188 visitors in July 2009. In which year did the park has more visitors during the month of July? Okay, let's answer these two questions. How many visitors were there in July 2008? Okay, let's see here. In July 2008, we have here this number. So we have here 651,028 visitors. And how many visitors were there in July 2009? We have here 2009, this number. So it will be 665,188. Okay, let's use a place value chart to compare between these two numbers. So we are going to write both of the numbers in this table as we studied before in the previous two lessons. Okay, so we are going to start with this number 8 in ones place, 2 tens place, 0 hundreds place, 1 in 1,000s place, 5 in 10,000s place, 6 in 100,000s place. The next one, 8 in ones place, the other 8 in tens place, 1 in hundreds place, 5 in 1,000s place, 6 in 10,000s place, and the other 6 in 100,000 place. Okay, we want to compare between these two numbers using the place value chart. Okay, first step, we are going to compare the 100,000s. Okay, we're going to start from the left this time. Okay, so we're going to start with 6 here. We have equal digits, right? 6 and 6. So 600,000 equals 600,000. Okay, step 2, we are going to compare the 10,000s place. So we have here 5 and 6. So of course 5 10,000s is smaller than 6 10,000. So we're going to put this sign. After that we have this number smaller than this number because we have 5 here smaller than 6 here. So there were more visitors in July 2009 than in July 2008. Okay, let's move to the next page. Okay, let's skip this example. We are going to back to it. Okay, here, compare. Write smaller than, greater than, or equal. As we all know, we are using these signs to compare between numbers. Smaller than, greater than, and equal. So we are going to compare between these two numbers without using our place value chart. Okay, let's learn how to compare between them. Firstly, if you want to compare between two numbers, the first step, you have to count the number of digits in each number. So we have here, how many digits in this number? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So write 6 above it. After that, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's write 6 above it. So we have the same number of digits in both numbers. So let's move to the next step, which is comparing from the left. So we are going to start from the left digit, which is 6. So we have here 6, and we have here 6, the same number. Let's move to the next digit to the right of it. We have here 3 and we have here 4. Of course 4 is greater than 3, so we're going to put this sign. Okay, let's move to number 3. We have here these two numbers and we want to compare between them. Okay, firstly count the number of digits in each number. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the most important thing, follow the steps. First step, you have to count the digits of each number. The next step, you have to compare between these two numbers by comparing between the digits in the left of it. So let's start with the first digit to the left here, which is 5, and we have here 5, the same digit. So let's move to the next digit to the right of it. We have here 6 and we have here 2. So which is greater? Of course 6 is greater than 2, so let's put this sign. Okay, the next one, number 4. Okay, let's move to number 4. We want to compare between these two numbers. The first step, count the digits in each number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it will be 6 digits. And we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as well. So write 6 above it. After that, let's move to the second step, which is comparing the digits to the left of each number. So we have here 7 and we have here 6. We have 7 is greater than 6, so we're going to put this sign. Okay, let's move to number 5. We have these two numbers and we want to compare between them. Okay, first step, as we all know, we are going to count the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits. And we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. So we have here 6 digits and we have here 5 digits. So all we have to do, we are going to put the sign directly, because 6 here is greater than 5. It's very easy, guys. Very simple. We have 2 steps. The first step, count the digits in each number. The second step, compare between the left digit of each number. Okay, let's move back to this example. Okay, let's read it. Use a number line to order 10,408, 10,433, and 10,416 from least to greatest. Okay, so we are going to compare and order these three numbers from least to greatest. Okay, using number line, of course. Okay, we have here, if we want to compare between three numbers or order three numbers using number line, we have here some guide numbers to guide me to represent our numbers here on the number line. We have here 10,400, 10,410, 10,420, 10,430, 10,440, and 10,450. So what we notice here, we notice that every time we add 10, this 400, and it will be 410, 420, 430, 440, and 450 every time we add 10. So if we count the number of dashes between each number, we're going to find it 10 dashes. Let's count it. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and our number is the 10th one. Okay, if we want to represent a number on this number line, we have here, we want to represent the first number, which is 10,408. Okay, so 400 and 410. So 408, it must be between 400 and 410. Okay, let's count. After 400, 401, 402, 403, 404, 405, 406, 407, 408. So our number is here, 408, like that. After that, we want to represent this number. 433, between what and what? Between 30 and 40, of course, because it's 33. So let's count 1. So it will be 431, 432, 433 here. So our number is here. And let's move to the third number here, 416. 16 between 10 and 20, of course. So let's count between 10 and 20 here. So it will be 411, 412, 413, 414, 415, and 416. So this is our third number. Okay. So in the number line, when we move from left to right, so we are moving from least to greatest. Okay, so the least number is the first number here. So we're going to start with the least because he asked me to start with the least to greatest. So it will be 10,408 is the first number. Or we can write it like that. Okay, here 10,408 is the first one. The second one, which is 10,416, and the third one and the greatest one, 10,433, or we can write it like that. Okay, the next one, we are going to compare between these two numbers using the number line. Okay, let's represent it first. We have 15,327. Let's write with me. We have here 15,327. 27 between what and what? Between 20 and 30, of course. So between 20 and 30. Okay, let's count 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So our number is here, 27, because we are searching for 27. So this is our number, 15,327. Okay, what about the next one? Here, 15,341. 41 between 40 and 50. Here, 40 and 50. So 41 will be just here. So it will be 15,341. Okay, so we are going to compare between these two numbers by using the number line. Okay, what comes first? This number. So this number is smaller than this number because when we move from left to right, we are moving from least to greatest. Okay, that's how can we use number line to order and compare numbers. Okay, let's order the three numbers without using number line. Okay, let's learn how to order them. Order from greatest to least. So we are going to order this time from greatest number to least number. Firstly, you have to count the digits of each number. So we have here how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 digits right above it. After that, we have here in this number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 also. The next one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. So we have all numbers included 5 digits. We have here 3 numbers with 5 digits. We're going to compare from the left digit. Okay, we have here 2, and we have here 2, and we have here 2. They are equal. Let's move to the next digit. We have here 0, we have here 1, we have here 0. We want the greatest one. The greatest here is this number. This is the greatest number. Okay, let's write it here. And what about the two numbers, the two other numbers here? Let's continue. Compare between them. We have here 6 and we have here 8. So, which is the greatest? The greatest one is 8. So let's write it here. And the last one just here. Okay, it's very easy, it's very simple. If you want to compare between two numbers, you have to write the number of digits above it. After that, you have to compare from the left digit. Okay, let's move to the next page. Okay, now we want to compare between these two numbers using this signs. Smaller than, greater than, or equal. Okay, we have these two numbers and we want to compare between them. First of all, as we all know, we have how many digits here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So write 4 above it. And we have how many digits here? 1, 2, 3, 4 also. So let's move to the second step, which is comparing the left digits. We have here 2 and 2. They are equal. So move to the next place, which is 2 and 6. So 6 is greater than 2. So we're going to put this sign. Okay, the next one, we have here these two numbers and we want to compare between them. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. And we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. As you see here, we have the same digits in both numbers. So they are equal. Okay, the next one. The same idea. We have here these two numbers and we want to compare between them. First step, we are going to count the digits in each number. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So directly write this sign because 6 is greater than 5. Okay, let's move to number 10. We have here this number. We have here this number and this number. We want to compare between them. First of all, count the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. And we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits as well. Let's move to the next step, comparing the left digits. We have here 7 and we have here 8. So which greater, 8 or 7? Of course 8, like that. Okay, let's move to the next question. We have here order from least to greatest. Okay, here we're going to order from least number to greatest number. Okay, we have here these three numbers and we want to compare between them. First of all, count the number of digits in each number. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So write 5 above it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write 5 above it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they are all 5 digits. So let's move to the next step. We have here 4. We have here 4. We have here 4. They are equal. Let's move to the next digit. We have here 1, we have here 1, and we have here 0. So where is the least one here? Of course 0. 0 is the least one. So we are going to put it here. After that, let's continue comparing between these two numbers. We have 0 here and we have here 1. What the least number between them? Of course, this number is the least one. Okay, we're going to put it here. And the last one here, which is this number. I'm going to put it here. Okay, the next one. we are going to order the three numbers from least to greatest. First step, you have to count the digits. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. So where is the smallest number? Where is the least number? Of course, we have this number is the least number. So we're going to start with it like that. Okay, the next one. We have both of them has 6 digits. So we're going to compare the last digit here. 9 and 9. And we have here 1 and 1. We have here 0 and 2. So which the least one? 0 or 2? Of course, 0. So we are going to write it here. Okay, after that, we are going to write this here. The last one here, like that. The next exercise, how can we write all digits that can replace this blank? So we want to get the number between these two numbers and write it in the blank. So first of all, let's compare. With the left digit, we have here 5, 5, 5. And we have here 6, and we have here nothing, and we have here 8. So what's the number between 6 and 8? So he asking about the number here between 6 and 8. Of course it's 7. Like that. Okay, let's move to the next one. We have here this number and this number and this number. We want to get the number between both of these numbers. Okay, first of all, we have here 4, we have here 4, and we have here 4. We have here 6, and we have here nothing. We have here 4. So what number between 6 and 4? Between 6 and 4, of course, between 6 and 4, 5. So the number in the blank is 5. Okay guys, that's our lesson today. Thank you for listening. See you later.